Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hello food lovers, adventurers, and curious travelers. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your destination for discovering incredible dishes from around the world. Here, we believe food is a window into culture, and today we're taking you on a special journey across Asia, one of the most diverse and flavorful continents in the world. If you're someone who loves exploring food through travel or just enjoys the art of cooking, this episode is for you. Asia's culinary scene is as varied as the countries that make up the continent, and there's no shortage of iconic dishes that have withstood the test of time. From spicy street foods to comforting soups, these dishes have become beloved staples, passed down through generations. So, buckle up as we embark on a global food journey, discovering the rich history and unique flavors behind the most iconic and timeless dishes of Asia. 1. Japan, sushi, a delicate craft. Sushi is an art form. It's not just about raw fish, it's about balance, precision, and the delicate combination of ingredients. Originating in Japan centuries ago, sushi has evolved into one of the most famous and sought-after dishes globally. The term sushi refers to the vinegared rice that forms the base of the dish, topped with fresh fish or other ingredients, such as vegetables or egg. In Tokyo, the sushi scene is unlike any other. Whether you're enjoying a piece of nigiri, raw fish atop rice, or maki rolls, seaweed-wrapped rolls, each bite is a reflection of Japan's deep-rooted respect for simplicity and quality. Sushi restaurants in Tsukiji or the high-end eateries in Ginza offer an unparalleled sushi experience that will forever remain etched in your culinary memory. 2. Thailand. Pad Thai, a stir-fried classic. One dish you absolutely cannot miss in Thailand is the beloved Pad Thai. This stir-fried noodle dish has become a symbol of Thai street food and is known for its perfectly balanced flavors. It's a harmony of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, with a kick from chili, the tang of tamarind, and the richness of fish sauce. Whether you're in Bangkok navigating the lively streets or exploring the quieter regions of Chiang Mai, Pad Thai can be found everywhere. The dish is a go-to comfort food, often garnished with fresh lime, peanuts, and herbs, giving it a satisfying crunch that complements the soft noodles. Its influence extends beyond Thailand, as Pad Thai is loved by foodies worldwide. 3. China. Peking duck, the crown jewel of roasted meats. One of China's most iconic dishes is the famous Peking duck. This dish is celebrated for its crispy skin, succulent meat, and the deliciously complex flavors of the accompanying sauces. The duck is roasted to perfection, producing a crispy exterior while the meat inside remains tender and flavorful. A visit to Beijing is incomplete without experiencing Peking duck, which is typically served with thin pancakes, hoisin sauce, and fresh scallions. It's a dish that speaks volumes about China's long culinary tradition and expertise in roasting meats. At world-renowned restaurants like Quang and Da Dong, you'll enjoy this decadent dish in a setting steeped in history and tradition. For Vietnam pho, a soul-warming soup. In Vietnam, the dish that warms both the soul and the body is pho. This aromatic noodle soup is made with a flavorful broth simmered for hours, combined with rice noodles, fresh herbs, and usually thinly sliced beef or chicken. The broth itself is the star of the dish, made with a fragrant mix of spices like star anise, cloves, and cinnamon. Hanoi is often regarded as the birthplace of pho, where the dish is served at humble street stalls alongside fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and lime. The dish has become a beloved comfort food in Vietnam and is now enjoyed around the world. It's an essential part of Vietnamese identity and a dish you should not miss. 5. India. Butter chicken, the creamy perfection. Butter chicken, or murg makhani, is an iconic Indian dish that balances rich flavors with a creamy texture. It originated in Delhi at the famous Moti Mahal restaurant in the 1950s, where leftover chicken was slow-cooked in a blend of butter, tomatoes, and spices. The result is a smooth, rich curry that has become an international favorite. In every corner of India, from the vibrant streets of Mumbai to the peaceful landscapes of Rajasthan, butter chicken is a constant presence on restaurant menus. Paired with naan or basmati rice, it's a dish that encapsulates the beauty of Indian cuisine: bold, comforting, and unforgettable. Indonesia. Nasi goreng, a flavor-packed fried rice. This fragrant fried rice is made with a variety of ingredients, including shrimp, chicken, or tofu, mixed with shallots, garlic, and a touch of cake cap, manis, sweet soy sauce, for that distinct sweetness. While Bali is famous for its beaches and cultural heritage, it's also home to some of the best nasi goreng you'll ever taste. Served with a fried egg and a side of satay, this dish represents Indonesia's diverse flavors and love for hearty meals. 7. Korea. Bibimbap, the colorful medley. In Korea, one dish that perfectly encapsulates the country's love for fresh ingredients and harmonious flavors is bibimbap. The dish consists of a bowl of rice topped with a variety of vegetables, meat, often beef, and a fried egg. All mixed together with gochujang Korean chili paste to give it a delightful kick. The beauty of bibimbap is in its colorful presentation, showcasing the fresh produce of the Korean countryside. Whether served in a hot stone bowl, dolset that crisps the rice at the bottom, or in a regular bowl, bibimbap is a reflection of Korea's respect for both flavors and visual appeal. Malaysia. Aksa, a spicy soup you'll never forget. Laksa is an iconic dish in Malaysia, where it combines the best of Southeast Asian flavors. There are two main types, curry laksa with its rich and creamy coconut-based broth, and asam laksa, a tangy and refreshing tamarind-based soup. Both versions are incredibly flavorful, featuring noodles, seafood, and herbs in every spoonful. In Penang, laksa is often served with fresh prawns, and in Kuala Lumpur, the dish's creamy consistency gives you a completely different experience. It's the perfect mix of spicy, sour, and savory flavors, making laksa a must-try for any lover of Asian cuisine. 9. Philippines lechon. There's no dish more symbolic than lechona whole pig roasted to perfection over an open flame. This dish is traditionally served during major festivities such as weddings, Christmas, and birthdays, and its crispy, golden skin and tender meat are the stars of any celebration. It's a symbol of hospitality and generosity in Filipino culture. When visiting Cebu, the lechon capital of the country, make sure to indulge in this delightful dish, often paired with a tangy liver sauce known as Singapore chili crab, a spicy, sweet delicacy. In Singapore, chili crab is the dish that has become a symbol of the country's thriving food scene. This spicy, savory dish features fresh crab cooked in a thick, sweet, and spicy sauce made with tomato, chili, ginger, and garlic. The sauce is rich, flavorful, and the perfect accompaniment to the tender crab meat. The best way to enjoy chili crab is with a side of mantou, soft buns perfect for soaking up the extra sauce. Chili crab is a must-try dish that captures the essence of Singapore's diverse culinary influences and flavors of the countries they come from. From the delicate precision of Japanese sushi to the bold, spicy flavors of Malaysian laksa, these dishes have stood the test of time and continue to inspire food lovers around the world. So whether you're planning a trip to Asia or cooking up something special in your own kitchen, be sure to try these dishes and experience the incredible diversity of Asian cuisine. And the dishes we've explored today are a testament to the timeless appeal of Asian flavors. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know which iconic Asian dish you're most excited to try. Stay tuned for more adventures with Global Eats Uncovered, where we'll continue to bring you the world's most unforgettable food experiences. See you in the next episode.